Jai Gurudev children. Beta, today we are going to revise the chapter number 4. I think that all the student having always problems in this chapter. That's why I am revising this chapter first. See that integers. To understand what are the integers, first of all you have to understand the number system. Natural numbers, counting numbers which start from 1, 2, 3 and so on, they are known as the natural numbers. Okay, and whole numbers, if we will include 0 along with these natural numbers, okay, if we include 0 with along these natural numbers, okay, means counting numbers, then the set of numbers is known as the whole numbers. Then this set of number is known as the whole number. And what are integers? Whole numbers including, means whole numbers, you know whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If along with the whole numbers we include negative natural numbers. What? Negative natural number. Positive natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative natural numbers will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Then these set of numbers is known as the integers. Then these set of number is known as the integers. Now just try to understand. While means this is 0 will be at the middle. Okay, 0 will be at the middle. On right hand side, +1, +2, +3 and so on. You can see that as we are moving on the right hand side, means in this direction, the value will be increased, means the number which will be away from the number which will be that much of away from the 0, okay, as much as away it will be from 0, then its value will be the greater. But here in the negative direction it will be opposite. The number which will be nearer to 0, that will be the greatest, means as comparatively if I will compare to these negative numbers, -1 will be the greatest, and the number which will be very away like that -1000, -50,000, -10,000, they will be, their value will be the smallest one. Okay, comparatively to the -1, -5,000 will be the smallest. Okay, so in right direction we get successor, means as we are moving forward, +1 is adding to each of the number. It means on right hand direction we are getting successor of the number, and as we are moving to the left direction we are getting predecessor of the numbers. Predecessor means -1, means every number will be -1 to the previous, then -1, -2, then if we subtract -2 from -2, then we will get -1. Okay, now the rules of integers, and these are during the class time also I taught you this beta, that this is the must to know. If you know the rules of the integer, then you will not have any problem. Okay, rule 1, integer for addition and subtraction. From same copy I am just explaining you, and I have already sent you this one also, so I am hoping that you also have written all these things. Two same sign numbers are always added with their sign. You see that beta, +4 and +5. If you will see that in between both the numbers in front of these, what sign they have? plus. So in this case what you will do, you will add them 9, and what both the numbers having what kind of sign? plus, so their value will be the +9. Same way if you will see that -5 and -3, what we said according to the rule of integers, that two same sign numbers are always added. So add them. 5 + 3 will be 8, and what sign they both have? minus, so it will be -8. So this is the first rules of integer. And second rule says beta, two opposite sign numbers are always subtracted, and what the resultant value will get? The greater number sign. See that now, +4 and -5. So you see that here plus sign is there and here minus sign is there. So what you will do beta, subtract 5 minus 4, what will be? 1. And what the greater number having which sign? Minus, so it will be -1. Now you see that +5, this time 5 is plus and 4 is of minus. So okay, again they both have both the numbers having in front sign, they are opposite sign. So what you will do? Subtract beta. What greater number having what sign? So this time it will be +1. Okay, see that plus 20 and minus 31. So two opposite sign. So subtract them. 20 minus 31, 31 minus 20 will be beta 11. So what the greater number having what sign? Minus. So in this way we will do this. But while we will open the brackets, okay, opening of the brackets, these rules, these are opening bracket or multiplication rules of integers. Okay, how you will do? Plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, minus. Then second most important things comes, that the absolute value of the integer. And what do you mean by the absolute value, beta? Any integer, read with me. If suppose absolute value of 5 we would like to 5, then you will in a vertical column you will write that along inside of the vertical lines you will write 5 and then it will be 5. It is absolute value of minus 5, you will write inside of two vertical line minus 5, or it will become 5. Means negative value becomes positive, but beta positive value will not be negative. This forcefully I taught you during the class time also. Some children, they are writing that if plus 5 is there, then afterward they are writing minus 5. That is wrong beta, because plus value will not be negative. Okay, only the negative value becomes पॉजिटिव. केवल माइनस वाली वैल्यू जो है वो आपकी पॉजिटिव हो जाती है. पॉजिटिव वाली तो ऑलरेडी बेटा वो उसका आंसर तो पॉजिटिव ही आएगा. ये बात आपको बहुत ध्यान रखने की है. ओके, बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन कम्स फ्रॉम द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑल्सो. एंड डोंट थिंक दैट यू विल चीट, डू द चीटिंग एंड ऑल दैट, बिकॉज वी आर चेंजिंग द वैल्यूज ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. सो it is must to learn and read the topic and understand the topic. आपको समझना ही पड़ेगा, आपको पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. हम यहाँ से पढ़ा रहे हैं, आप देखिए बार बार, आपको सारी चीज़ें समझ में आ जाएंगी. दैट्स वाई अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द थिंग्स दैट वेयर द चिल्ड्रन हैविंग चिल्ड्रन कम्स प्रॉब्लम. Okay beta, so here I am not going to discuss the question one by one. In which are the important things, those things I am going to discuss with you here in this my video. And rest of, for if you would like to go detail, then you are having the previous links, you can go through them. Okay, see here now. Here beta, see that how we will solve the problem by the number line. Okay, here I made one number line, and now I am discussing the question with you with the help of this number line, how you will solve. Okay, just see that plus 5 and plus minus 8. How you will do? Just stand on 0, and for plus side, for plus value, always you will move on the right hand direction. Plus value, this is beta right hand side, right side, and this one is beta left side. This one is left side. Okay, if you would like to go plus 5, so always stand in 0 first, then go on plus 5. 1 2 3 4 5, you reach here. This is your plus 5, this is your beta plus 5. Now where you have to go now? Minus 8. Now where you reach? Plus 5. Now come for minus, what you will go? You have to come back side. For minus value, where you will go? Come to the back side. So count 8 step back from here. So count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Where you reach beta? You see here. From here, where you reach? Minus 3. So what will be its answer? Minus 3. Okay, now we will try to solve this by the rules. Okay, now we are going to solve this plus 5 and plus minus 8. See that how we will do. Plus 5 or plus minus 8. What? The rules of which rule we will apply? Two things, two sign are coming together. So plus into minus. Where plus into minus. What it will be? Minus. So decide minus sign here. This one 8 at this plus 5. Now see that beta here two opposite sign. Which rule will be applied? Two opposite sign. Two opposite sign numbers is equal to, two opposite sign numbers is equal to subtraction. What you will do beta? Subtraction. Okay, now subtract 8 minus 5 beta 3. What the and with greater number sign, with greater number sign, what greater number sign. Now see that greater number, which one? 8. What sign in front of that is minus. So what will be your answer? Minus 3. So see that na, here also with the help of the number line you got minus 3. But with this number line beta, already you can solve that the very small questions. You cannot go through the bigger ones. You can't solve the bigger question with the help of this number line. आप इस नंबर लाइन की हेल्प से बड़े क्वेश्चनों को सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे, केवल आप छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चनों को सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. एंड फॉर बिगर वंस आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द रूल्स ऑफ द इंटीजर्स. यू हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स ऑफ द इंटीजर्स. ओके, आपको उसके लिए क्या करने पड़ेंगे? इंटीजर के रूल्स को ही फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे. नाउ सी दैट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सपोज -2 plus -6. So what you will do now? Where you have to go? -2. So stand in 0 first. कहाँ खड़े हो जाइए? 0 पे खड़े हो जाइए. कहाँ जाना है आपको? पहले -2 पर, है ना? For minus side you will go here. So go come -1 or -2. You reach here from here. Okay. Then further. Now we reach here -2. Now this has completed. Then plus -6. Plus means we are here now -2. Now for -6, for adding plus means in this one we are adding. Okay, and where we go? 6 steps back. For minus side ना, what we will go? उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? 6 स्टेप, क्योंकि निगेटिव डायरेक्शन में जाना हमको, तो यहाँ से 6 स्टेप और आगे जाइए. 1 2 3 4 5 6. कहाँ पहुँच गए आप बेटा? -8 पर पहुँच गया. कहाँ पहुँच गए आप? यहाँ से यहाँ पर -8 पर पहुँच गए. तो क्या होगा आपका? इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? -8 विल बी योर आंसर. -8 will be your answer. Now we are going to try to solve this by with the help of rule. Okay, -2 plus into minus beta minus, so 6. Now which rule will be applied? Two same sign number added. Add beta 6 plus 2 8 with their sign. What sign they will have? Minus. So in this way you will understand. For more detail here beta, in revision class I can't discuss all the things very deeply. Already I have discussed the things with you in a deeper and deeper way. मैंने आपको बहुत ध्यान गहराई से पढ़ाई है चीज़ें. यहाँ तो मैं आपका एक recapitulation again I am taking. Okay, so what you will do? For the more detail you have to see again those videos. आपको ज़्यादा गहराई से समझने के लिए उन्हीं वीडियो तक जाना पड़ेगा वापस. लेकिन यहाँ पर मैं आपको चीज़ों को एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करवा रही हूँ ताकि आपकी समझ में ये चीज़ें अच्छे से आ जाएं. बिकॉज ऑल द चिल्ड्रन हैविंग प्रॉब्लम्स इन दिस, बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट अ वेरी सिंपल टॉपिक. दैट्स वाई आई एम टेकिंग दिस टॉपिक फर्स्ट. इसलिए मैं इस टॉपिक को आपका फिर से रिवाइज करवा रही हूँ क्योंकि इसमें आपको हमेशा प्रॉब्लम रहती है. ओके, नाउ कम टू द, सो इन दिस वे lot of examples are given to your book also. You can see them also. Okay, now what we are going to do? Now see that suppose we have to solve question 3 more than 7. 3 more than 7. So where you will stand? More than 7. Okay, with the help of the number line suppose you have to solve this. So where you will stand? 7. Okay, so stand on 7. 3 more than this. For more beta, in which direction? Always for more we will go on the right hand direction, and for less we come always in the back direction. Again listen, for more always we will move in the forward direction, and for less always we will come in the back direction. 3 more than 7. So you are standing in 7. So 3 more than that. 1 2 3. So what will be your answer beta? 3 more than 7 will be answer as 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So this will be your answer. With the help of the number line also you are getting these ones. Okay, 5 less than 2. Suppose next question is 5 less than 2. So what you will do beta? 5 less than 2. Okay, so stand on 2. Okay, 5 less. For less where you will go? On the back direction. So 1 2 3 4 5. So where you are reaching? 5 less than 2 means again you are coming as -3. Will be as -3. Now see that 5 less than 2. That means 2 minus 5. Two opposite sign number are subtracted. Subtract 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Greater number having what sign? Minus 3. So in this way it comes. Okay. So beta, now in the I have explained you, revised the number line and all these things also again. Now suppose we are going to start any question. 2 plus minus 19 or plus minus 4 or plus 6. Okay, how we will do this question? See that again, plus into minus again beta, minus. So write then minus. What will be? 19. Here 2. Okay, plus into minus, minus 4 and plus 6. Okay, now see that solve them by step. 2 minus 19 first. 2 minus 19. See that what? 2 is of plus sign. So 2 opposite sign number are subtracted. So subtract them. 19 minus 2, 17. Greater number having what sign? So if you will solve these one, what you are getting? Minus 17. Minus 4 plus 6. Now again see, 2 same sign number is equal to addition. So 7 plus 17 plus 4 beta, 21. What sign they both having? Minus. Minus 21 plus 6. Okay, so again 2 opposite sign number is equal to subtraction. So 21 minus 6 is equal to how much beta? 15. What greater number having what sign? Minus. So in this way, step by step you will, if you will solve the question, so you will get the answer. So in this way beta, you will do the problems. Only these things are there, nothing else. Okay, this is the main problem. Rest of the things are okay. Okay, then properties and all these things I discussed you in a detailed format. Okay, all those questions I am here means where the students comes problem, those things I am revising here. See that one more. Suppose you have to subtract 15 from minus 30 suppose. So how you will do this question? Beta, from means always after from what number is written. इस पहले क्वेश्चन को समझने की कोशिश करो. सब्ट्रैक्ट 15 फ्रॉम 30. किस सब्ट्रैक्ट करो 15 को किस में से बेटा? 30 में से. किस में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना आपको? 30 में से. तो जिसमें से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं उस नंबर को हम क्या करते हैं? पहले लिखते हैं 30. देन सब्ट्रैक्शन व्हाट साइन कम्स? माइनस. व्हाट यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट? 15. सो अब नाउ 30 will have what sign beta? Positive. So 2 opposite sign number is equal to subtraction. So subtract that 30 minus 15. 15. What the greater number having what sign? Plus. So what will be your value? Plus 15. So in this way it comes. Means everywhere we are applying the rule of integer. लेकिन हम उनको क्या करते हैं? Generally discuss नहीं कर रहे होते. Otherwise, whenever we are doing calculation, multiplication, addition, subtraction, at that time we are following the rule of integer. हम हमेशा rule integer के follow कर रहे होते हैं, but we are not discussing that. क्योंकि बाद में करते करते वो इतने practice में आ जाते हैं कि हम उनको discuss नहीं करते हैं फिर. Okay, now again see that one more subtraction question I am taking because the students always creating problems in the subtraction part also. Minus 304 subtract from minus 500. So how you will do beta? From means इसमें से आपको subtract करना है. So write that minus 500. Okay, then what you have to subtract? For subtraction you have to subtract, and for this what? Subtract. Now subtraction sign will come. Subtraction sign means minus. आपको minus 500 में से subtract करना है किसको? minus 304 को. तो ये वाला तो इसका अपना साइन है, जो सब्ट्रैक्शन का साइन है वो तो यहाँ पर आएगा ही आएगा. एंड देन minus 304. So you just see that their two sign are coming together, and I taught you that two sign they will not come together while we will open the bracket. So you have to decide that what you will do now. Minus into minus, minus into minus. So what it will be? Plus. So decide here plus. So what will be? 304. Here minus 500. Now the rules of integers. Apply the rules of integer. Two opposite sign number. Two opposite sign number is equal to subtraction. Is equal to beta subtraction. So subtract that. 500 minus 304. So 10 minus 4, 6. Here 9. 9 will come. Here 4. 4 minus 3, 196. What the greater number having what sign? Minus. So this will be your answer. So in this way it comes beta. Okay. In this way come. again still if you will see the video very carefully, so all kind of questions again we are discussing. Only these are the problematic things, where problematic areas of the students where they always feel the difficulty. ओके हमें वैसे ही पता है कि स्टूडेंट को कहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम जा रही होगी, इसलिए मैं उन चीज़ों को आपसे बार बार डिस्कस कर रही हूँ. अगेन सी दैट बेटा, subtract minus 104 from 360. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, आपको किस में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, 360 में से. तो आप क्या करोगे, पहले 360 लिखोगे, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए कौन सा साइन आता है, माइनस, और क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है आपको, -104. तो ये आप ऐसे करेंगे. मैनी चिल्ड्रन आर राइटिंग दैट 360 minus 104. व्हाट यू आर डूइंग बेटा, दिस सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन इट हैज़ नॉट कम हियर. ये तो आपने इसका अपना साइन लिखा, आपने बीच में जो सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए जो साइन आना चाहिए वो आपने कहाँ यूज करा इस कंडीशन, दैट्स वाई दिस इज रॉन्ग. Okay, so what you will do, subtract from 360 to which number you have to subtract, -104, and for subtraction what sign comes, minus. Okay, so now see that minus into minus again, plus 104, and this is 360 and this is also plus. Generally ये इस तरह का जब केस होता है तो हम सीधे दोनों को ऐड करके रख लेते हैं, but at that time also we are applying the rule of integer. So what rule will be applied, two same sign number is equal to addition. Now add them, 4, 6 and 3, 1 plus 4, so 464. Two same sign number is equal to addition, so addition. Okay, we have added two same sign number is equal to addition with their sign, so both of them they will have the positive sign, that's why their value will be +1. So if you will understand these small things ना, you will not have any problems. अगर आपकी ये जो छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स हैं, ये अगर आप इनको इरेज, इन मिस्टेक्स को आप वो कर लेंगे, रेक्टिफाई कर लेंगे, तो आपको इस चैप्टर में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं जाने वाली है. ओके, एंड देन गो थ्रू द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी एंड एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी, एंड फॉर गोइंग टू द डिटेल ऑफ द टॉपिक अगेन आई एम सेंडिंग अलॉन्ग विद दिस वीडियो, आई एम सेंडिंग द प्रीवियस वीडियो ऑफ द टॉपिक ऑल्सो. इसके साथ में मैं आपको जो मेरे पुराने वीडियो इस टॉपिक के हैं उनके लिंक दोबारा से सेंड करूंगी, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक इन अ बेटर वे. बट फॉर दैट विदाउट सीइंग द वीडियो यू कांट अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक अगेन. ओके, सो गो थ्रू द वीडियोज. अगर आपने पहले भी नहीं देखे हैं तो आप उनको दोबारा से देखिए कि आपको क्या करना है उसमें, क्योंकि नाउ यू आर हैविंग वेरी लेस टाइम. ओके, अगेन सी दैट how we will do. One more question I am going to discuss with you. Okay, because these are the problematic areas I have discussed with you. See that again. See that beta, this is question, -47 plus -19 plus -18. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ प्लस इंटू माइनस है, कौन सा साइन आना चाहिए बीच में, माइनस. इसके बाद क्या नंबर है, 19 है, ये आ गया. ओके, देन हियर -47, सो यू जस्ट राइट -47. Okay, step by step we will do now. Plus into minus beta, again minus. After that what number comes, -18. Plus into minus, minus, then 57. Okay, plus into minus, -50. Now see that all of them they are having minus sign. So what is the rule, two same, 2 or more, always 2 ही नहीं होगा. अगर ज़्यादा भी हैं और उनके नंबर सेम हैं, उनके साइन सेम है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, उनको सबको ऐड कर देंगे. You will add them. Okay, now see that we are going to add this one. बेटा सी दैट इफ़ यू विल ऐड दीज ना, टू, हम क्या करते हैं कि टू सेम साइन नंबर्स आर ऑलवेज एडेड, सो ऐड देम ना. क्या 2 ही नहीं होना चाहिए, 2 से ज़्यादा भी होंगे, और अगर उनके नंबर सेम साइन है तो हम उनको क्या कर देंगे, वी विल ऐड देम. सो आई हैव एडेड दीज वन, सो व्हाट आई गॉट 191. व्हाट ऑल ऑफ देम दे व्हाट साइन दे आर हैविंग, माइनस, सो इट्स वैल्यू विल बी -191. सो इन दिस वे you just try to, you are having lot of question in your book, so you just do go through those questions again, revise them properly and see the my previous videos also. यहाँ पर मैंने फिर से आपको चीज़ें फिर से डिस्कस कर दी हैं. ओके, एंड अगेन इफ़ यू विल हैव डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी. आप मुझे मेरे पर्सनल नंबर पर पूछ सकते हैं कि हमें क्या प्रॉब्लम, वैसे आनी नहीं चाहिए, अब आपको ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होनी नहीं चाहिए अगर आप सिंसियरली इफ़ यू आर लर्निंग एवरी डे, ओके, अलॉन्ग विद द टाइम टेबल. Okay, so you will not have any problem. The problems are always comes when we are not going through the proper studies according to our timetable. If you are following the timetable strictly and doing the things on the same day, then we will not have any problem. Okay, just enough for the today, and I am sending the previous links of these chapters also. Till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you beta. Okay, revise this chapter properly all of you. Thanks beta.